vlog. It is Thursday, I think November 7th. I'm just out on my morning walk. Got a good 30 minutes in, and I'm gonna try to go for a 30-minute run on my lunch break today at work. We're moving, we're doing good things for ourselves. I have mentioned in a previous vlog that I really want to try to vlog like every couple days for the month of November, just because I've been enjoying the creative routine I've been in. I'm just gonna start off this vlog by saying, for any of you that were disappointed with how the US presidential election went, me too, and I feel you. It has been a rough couple days. If me saying that upsets you or you don't like that, please just unfollow me or block me. I'm not trying to perpetuate hatred by any means, but trying to remain positive and remind myself that no matter who our elected officials are, we can still do lots of good in our daily lives, and for others, it does not change my morals or my trajectory in life. I'm always going to keep fighting for the rights of other people, and I do believe the future is female. Obviously, could talk way more about that, but just wanted to put that in here because my headspace has been pretty negative the last 2 days, been feeling pretty depressed and disheartened. But today, I feel a bit more hopeful for the future. So we're starting off our day on a good note. I hope that all of you watching are able to do something for yourself today, either get a sweet treat or move your body a little. That is what I'm trying to do for myself, so yeah. It's Saturday morning. I honestly just woke up like 20 minutes ago. I'm walking to Sam and I's favorite bagel place right on Deviz called Schlock's. I've showed it a billion times before. And I'm gonna mail out a card to my friend. I did not vlog at all on Thursday or Friday. To be honest, this entire week has just felt very energetically draining. Mostly because of the election, but also just like in general, I've been feeling like I've been needing more rest. Today should be really fun because we are gonna bike downtown to the SF ferry building, and we're gonna take the ferry from SF to Angel Island and do a hike with all of our friends, which I'm so excited for. I think we might get coffee beforehand. This bagel is about to make my day. Yeah, it's just gonna be a really active, fun, like adventure day. You can eat here. She's eating. It is Sunday afternoon. It's like 2 o'clock and I'm just getting myself outside. I guess this is the second time today. I am gonna go for a run, but I think I'm gonna let myself walk up Buena Vista Hill for the first time. Today has been a really nice day. I got really good sleep last night. I went to bed at like 10:30 and I slept in naturally till 8 a.m., which kind of never happens for me. I feel like my natural wake up time is between 6:30 and 7:30 in the morning. So I just felt really well rested, which felt awesome. Laid on the couch, had coffee, I journaled, talked to Sam for a bit. Him and I walked over to one of our favorite coffee shops in SF. It's called the Matching Half. It's in like Nopa. And then went back to the house and just relaxed. I've been looking at jobs, reading, journaling some more, talked to my sister Tess. Yeah, just a very chill Sunday. I expect to make a really good salad later. I have some kale and a pomegranate that I want to use, but I think to spruce it up, I need to buy like a butternut squash and some goat cheese to add to that. Yesterday, I don't think I talked really much at all in the vlog. I was just documenting that experience of going to Angel Island with all our friends. It was so fun. Highly recommend if you live in San Francisco. Just dedicate a whole day to getting coffee, taking the ferry from downtown SF to Angel Island and doing like a hike. There's 5 or 6 variations of it, but you can just basically walk around the whole island. We saw like 3 or 4 coyotes, which was super cool. We just got really lucky with the weather, same as today. It's like sunny, warm out, and I'm really glad we did that. I feel like that is something in the Bay Area that I would never elect to do alone, but I'm really grateful all of our friends were down to join and just like spend a whole Saturday doing that together. Okay, just got back. I ran into Sam and Matt right as they were leaving because they're going surfing. So that was nice. And the kittens, I think, are sleeping. I'm really glad I got that run in because tonight at 7:30, me and all the girls are gonna go celebrate our friend Christina. She just took the LSAT for the first time, so I can shower, hang out for a couple hours, and then go meet up with them. But, oh, hello. There you are. I can't get them out. I'm about to finish a YouTube video I was just watching before I get to all my things. I just cannot recommend enough this brand, Frou frozen chocolate covered fruit. Something about them is so good. Like, it really satisfies the sweet tooth craving I have at the end of every day. I really like their milk chocolate covered raspberries. I think I like those more than these, but these are just the blueberries and they're so good. Like, I'm gonna have some right now and I'm like, oh, such a good midday treat. Oh, there he is. Hi, Mr. Mittens. What you doing? I just cleaned their litter box. Hopefully he appreciates it. You guys, I am so excited about how this salad came out. I decided to add in garbanzo beans, and I've got the butternut squash, sweet potato, red onion, pomegranate, and goat cheese. Oh, it looks so good. I've kind of been loving this routine I'm in of Sunday evening, trying a new recipe, like just giving myself a couple hours to like prep food and listen to music is so therapeutic, and I didn't realize I was missing this, but I really want to make this like a weekly habit of mine, that Sundays are meant for like a slow wind down in the evenings and like trying a new recipe. Dinner for everyone. Yes. Hi. Oh, sweetie. Hi, Mrs. 7:15 and I'm walking to Zam Zam. I think Zam Zam is technically a martini bar on Haight Street. My girlfriends and I have been there a couple times for, I think a couple birthdays maybe. I'm really excited because I have cookies for Christina and I'm returning her shorts to her. And I also have a sticker for Lucy that Sam got for her. The sticker reads, "Hot girls love brine." And they do. I really want an espresso martini. I'm hoping they're willing to make me one. But dinner was so good. That fall salad, I'll put the recipe or whatever. It's really simple, just like throwing all those ingredients together. I'll put that in the description of the video. And for dessert, I had 3 chocolate chip cookies from the batch that I made a couple days ago. So good. I literally love a sweet treat to end every single day. I feel like dessert is literally required in these trying times especially, but honestly just in general, I always need dessert. I know I mentioned this earlier, but we're going to celebrate our friend Christina because she recently took the LSAT. And I don't know if it's the type of test that you find out if you passed right away or not. Really excited for her, very proud. She spent literally months studying and just like dedicated herself to it. I'm like, God, that any regulated test like that is so stressful just because it all comes down to like one moment, you know? It's Monday morning. I just poured my coffee and look who is on the ground being crazy. You want some pets? Oh man, he just wanted to be pet. See if I can get him again. She'll let me pet her. Hi. Hi. Oh, there he comes. Hi. You want pets? You're so cute, baby. Oh, hey. They're so cute. They're really coming around. I'm so proud of them. I don't know if you can hear that purr, but it's very loud. It's about 12 o'clock and I'm just going on a walk on my lunch break. I think I'm gonna go to the Lululemon in downtown Oakland and look for a Christmas gift for Sam. I actually have a gift card to Lululemon, so this is kind of perfect. Thought I'd end off the vlog here. I already feel like this week, the one that we're going into, is gonna be a better week than last. I feel like this goes against what most people feel like, but whenever it is raining and there's leaves on the ground and it's just like colder, chillier weather, I just feel so happy. Like it started to rain on my drive to work today and I'm like, ugh, it's just sunny so often here, which is a good thing. Like I don't take that for granted and never want to complain about that, but something about the rain and the clouds just feels very comforting to me. I think it reminds me of my childhood, like growing up in Seattle. So I'm in such a good mood that there's leaves on the ground and it's just feeling more like we're in the thick of fall. I'm just feeling really in the spirit. Like I'm really excited for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna go to Chicago with Sam and be with his family, which is gonna be so nice. But I hope everyone watching is taking care of themselves, leaning into the small stuff that I was talking about, like how to make yourself feel better and just how to do the things that comfort you in times that are hard. Definitely feel like I'm starting to feel a lot better now that I've like kind of honed back in on all the things I do each day and each week that just make me feel like me. So anyway, with that being said, hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in my next vlog.